Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a rocket and a rocket grinder. This pair came in for some preventative maintenance. We changed the burrs, cleaned the grind chamber, and adjusted the grind on the rocket grinder. And on the espresso machine, we did a complete E61 group head rebuild. We had to change out the pump and ensure we had a nice, good flow and solid bars. Anyway, we have this grinder all set up for approximately 18 grams. There we go. If you notice, it came out right about 10 seconds. Could be a little tighter, and it is test coffee. Here we go. Nice shot. Test some hot water. Nice strong steam. Hot water valve. Nice and easy, closes real tight. Well, there you have it. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.